Hello, everybody, and how are you all? I hope you are doing great and you would be studying in your home and practicing speaking English in your home. So, welcome back to another session of learning English and improving your fluency with me. Today, I brought 6 week plans. In 6 week plans, the question comes every time in everyone's mind that, sir, can I learn English in 6 weeks? I will answer yes, because if you dedicate 6 weeks in these things, whatever I will tell you in coming session, that means this is going to be true, because this is your life and you have to think about your life, that I have to become a fluent speaker in my life or not. First of all, the week number one, that is listening, which you input every times, because if you don't input, and what will you output with your mouth? Everything depends on your listening, and after that, when you know how to apply what's in sentences, everything will be fine. But you have to be dedicate with yourself, with my video, with my session. It's been a lot of time I didn't create any video, but I was thinking today, now every student must be waiting for my video. That is why I came here to create one video. And English is that kind of subject. With the help of that English, you can become English can change your whole life in this world. That is why the week number one is listening. Listening is very important. Listen to, I'm not saying that only you have to listen paragraph. I'm not saying that only you have to listen only, that is a book. No, I'm not saying. Whatever you want to listen, you can, and I will not stop you to do that work, because this is depend on you, that you can listen any paragraph, you can listen on YouTube video, you can listen your newspaper, anything, whatever you want, you can, because this is input. This is a input. If you don't input in your mind, then what will you output? Everything depends on listening. And the week number two, now coming back to week number two, that is speaking. Speaking and listening. In first week I told listening, but in second week I'm just telling you that is speaking is very important. If you don't speak, you will be not able to speak English, you will be not able to learn English. Everything depends on speaking and listening. This is the most powerful technique, speaking and listening. Speaking and listening, I didn't do anything in my life. I'm speaking in front of you so that I can tell you something true. I listened and spoke. I listened and spoke. Otherwise, I didn't do. That means I took a lot of time to learn this much of part, but I'm doing that much part in simple way, so that before me you can learn English quickly. Speaking is very important. I'm not saying that you have to only speak about education related things. Whatever you want to speak, whatever comes in your mind, first of all I'm saying you that whatever you listened, try to summarize each and everything with your mouth, and try to narrate a story to our audience, and try to explain that things in your mind, and try to bring a mirror from the market, and try to speak with that mirror, so that you can learn English with perfectly. Now, the week number three, Now, coming back to week number 3, that is reading and speaking. Reading and speaking. In week number 3, what kind of things you have to do, that is read some paragraph, read some news, read some story books, and try to summarize to that things, so that everything depends on your summarizing. And I'm not saying that you have to speak in fast motion. First of all, you have to speak in slow motion, and slow motion goes direct in your mind, so that you can understand each and every part, that things will become fast. Everything depends on slow motion in speaking. Now you don't have to forget that things, and speak whatever you want to speak, you can. And whenever you will go, first of all try to bring that English in your mind, so that with the help of you can speak with perfect voice. Now I am speaking in front of you in slow motion. Do you think that I am speaking in front of you in fast motion? If I am speaking in fast motion, you can write in my comment section. I will decrease my speed, and from today onwards I will speak in more slow motion, so that each and everything you can understand. And now coming back to, that is week number 4, that is vocabulary. And we don't know advanced vocabulary. That is why we have to also pay attention on vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important in your life. And if you don't know vocab, then what will you use in sentences? Everything depends on vocab. And you have to speak vocab that like a abroad people, which abroad people speak. You don't have to follow Indian people to speak vocab. And everything depends vocab, listening, speaking. And I told 4 method, that 4 method you have to use. And instead of 4 method, coming back to week number 5, that is grammar. I'm not saying that you have to read a lot of grammar. I'm not saying that I'm not giving a lot of burden on your head. That is, I know about you, you are a student. Students have a lot of burden in his life. You must be preparing for another examination. I know about you. In students life, I have seen a lot of things, a lot of burden. And that is why I don't want to give any big burden on you. That is why. And only you have to focus only daily in English, only 30 minutes, more than 30 minutes. No, when you will say that I can't give 30 minutes, why can't you give 30 minutes in English? Because in 30 minutes you will go any place to roam around your friend. You have to live with your friend, so that you can dedicate some time in English. Now right now, coming back to week number 6, that is speaking. Whatever I told before week number 6, everything you have to summarize, so that you can't forget anything from this video. In this video we will say only one thing. If you give that much time to your studying, one day that will work, and one day your dream will come true. And anyone cannot stop to become a rich people and become a successful in English language. That is a English language. That language can change your whole life. Believe in yourself, and one day you will become one of the biggest people in your city, in your village. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, and subscribe the channel, so that you cannot miss out any single video of mine. Okay, thank you. We will see you again.